Hey guys, welcome back. Finally, I received another 3326 CPU retro handheld console. After waiting it for almost a month, now it's with me. Yes, it's Jack Pocket Pro or ZPG Pro. This is not the Android ZPG, this is the one almost same as other 3326 CPU console. Let's see what's inside the box. A metal ZPG Pro, a cable, and a menu. ABXY button, D-pad, 3D joystick, start select, F1 exit, and F2 menu button, and a 3.5 IPS with 320 x 480 OCA screen for the front of the console. On top, we have L1, L2, R1, R2, TF card slot, 3.5mm audio jack, Type-C OTG, HDMI. Bottom we have both side, right and left side with 3 holes. Maybe it's for airflow. For right hand side we have power button, and left hand side we have volume buttons. It comes with a 64 GB TF card with Ubuntu operating system. So we are going to go ahead and turn it on. We are going to put it up. You will see ZPG Pro logo. Emulation station. This looks really familiar as like others 3326 retro handheld console. This ZPG Pro is not the ZPG by using Android system. For this ZPG Pro, I'm just going to go through a few systems here. On screen now is the arcade game. About start to CPS 3 games. And moving to N64 game. For this N64, not all games can run so-called very smooth, just almost same like other 3326 CPU. I should go and try use EE on it and see any improvement.
Hey, what's the big idea?
Now let's have some fun with PC Engine game. This ZPG Pro is weight around 214 grams. Now let's get down and see what is inside this metal cell case. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull the back off. We got only 4 hex screws. This is the board, the rock chip RK3326 CPU, and here is the Wi-Fi Bluetooth IC should be, but now they take away from it because some issue and they need to take away from it. From this logic board, it does look like they also put a lot of effort in here. So should we also call this as OGA clone? What do you think? For me, I think we shouldn't, as this is not like others logic board like RK2020 and RGB10 that almost 99% look same with OGA logic board. It does use the same 3326 CPU, but at least they do put a lot of effort on it. For operating system, it comes with Ubuntu. For me, I'm not really like. I think they should work more a bit harder work on this OS operating system. I should go and try use EE on this ZPG Pro and see any improvement. I will do another video for it. Okay, that's all for this video. Really appreciate you watched the video. Please do leave me any comment of this console. See you on next video. Bye bye.